So for me, the next one is obviously the down jacket and down trousers. You might hear arguments on this, which is best. I think it's because things like the Lhotse face, if it's a hot day, I mean, you can imagine it in this day, although it's still very cold, it's all about the layers. You can see how sunny it is there. I'm just wearing a down jacket with an outer shell on there, thermals, and a pair of Mountain Hardwear. Really good thick Mountain Hardwear trousers. They're usually about 200 quid. I take maybe 2 or 3 pairs with me that last the 9 weeks. They're usually ruined after that and I give them to the Sherpas. So the down suit for me, I've gone Rab, and it's the one that I took with me last time, 2017. It's still badged up with my, it's been emotional badge that you can see there. Scotland badge, and obviously my mountain rescue badge as well. And then the Rab down trousers. Now, I'm not giving specifics in these videos. I think that's kind of up to you. I had to go through this. It took a lot of time to find this stuff, and you know, it's not rocket science. A down jacket, obviously with the best down fill in it, it's obviously what you're looking for. You might want different colours. You might want a whole suit. You might want it with inbuilt radio. I don't know. I mean, but for me, and if you are like me, you can't afford this stuff. So it's a one-off buy for me, and I intend to get the most out of it. It's still in good condition. I look after everything I have, and this stuff's treated better than, well, the royal family probably. So that's the outer layers and the inner layers as far as the down suits go, and then it's about the stuff that you wear closer to your body, obviously. In my case, I usually take at least 2 sets of thermals. I use and recommend Helly Hansen Warm Freeze. I've gone for a thinner pair of North Face ones for down in base camp, but certainly up on the mountain, you just sweat anyway, so it doesn't really matter about how hot you are, because that's the reason for peeling off layers. So on a normal day, like in this photo here, and you can actually see it here and here, although it's a similar clothing. They were decent days, but in this photo it was quite cold. We'd walked through the night up to Camp 1, and this is obviously at daybreak here. I don't know what time that is, I couldn't tell you. We started out at 9-10 o'clock at night from base camp. Probably didn't get to, I certainly don't think we reached Camp 1 probably until about 11 hours after setting off. I might be wrong on that. I certainly was ruined after that. People were even puking up. So in here I'm wearing the harness, helmet. I think these things are just basic. You need to wear them for safety. When you're going through the crevasse field, especially with heat, you're going to die. You know, if it's too hot, because it moves a metre every day. So in here I'm wearing the down jacket and a Berghaus outer shell, quite a good hardcore one. I think it needs to be kind of tough and resilient anyway for this kind of stuff. So harness and obviously hard hat. In this case it's the Petzl Vertex. I've been given permission by my mountain rescue teams, a part of Scarborough and Rydal Mountain Rescue Team, to be able to use theirs, and I think it's more for advertising and any sponsorship. Please sponsor Scarborough and Rydal Mountain Rescue Team.